So what's one way to make lip balm more fun? The accessories. And that's why these little top accessories are perfect. These were a gift to me from the brand. It's always that would get my honest opinion. So what I love about these two, these fit so many different sizes. I'm going to give you a little preview of my lip balm, a men's Chemek, a small little section of my collection, because lip balm, I would say, is a passion of mine. I don't know if lip balm can be a passion, but it is a passion. But these were gifted, so I just want to make that clear. But honestly, I cannot say that these are more highly related. So these do fit Summer Fridays and Laneige, so I won't show you these, but I'm going to show you a few other ones. I'm going to show you exactly how they look. So this is my Charlotte Tilbury Unhealthy Lips lip balm. And what this is too, you're going to actually even see, just like your regular lip balm, it's going to have that little middle part too. So that's actually going to stop the lip balm from squeezing out, and which causes a real big mess. So this actually fits just perfectly on, and you're just going to take your old lip balm on. I would keep it just in case you want to take this and put it to, like you want to take the little keychain part and put it to another lip balm. Just keep it to the side. But this lip balm fits on perfectly. As you can see, you could squeeze it and no extra lip balm is coming off, and you could see it fits so perfectly. And you could stick this right onto your car keys, your purse, anything you really want, and it fits so perfectly. So this one's Charlotte Tilbury. I also have my Milk Balmade. So that one, I'm gonna use my red. I'm also gonna probably have to hide this from my daughter because my 4-year-old and my 36-year-old heart have the same taste, and these are just adorable. So the Milk Balmade fits. Another crowd favorite, the e.l.f. Glow Revival Melting Lip Balm. This fits on perfectly. I'm gonna also tell you a few that doesn't fit and it doesn't work for, just so you're kind of aware. This Kapari Lip Balm. This is the Kapari Moisture Balm SPF 30. This fits perfectly on, and as you can see too, I love that it kind of adds like a little extra flair because of color. So the blue, the white, the red. Honestly, the favorite probably is this pink with the Charlotte Tilbury because it looks like it was absolutely made for it. Compared to the standard is this gold. No, this pink is everything. No, you need this pink. So the ones it really doesn't fit, the Lano Lips, and I'm going to show you why. Because one, this is a narrower little lip tube, and it has a wider tube, especially just for the formula. It's a thicker formula. So this one does not fit. This also does not fit the Cocoa kind, or this Smith's doesn't fit. So that's just going to give you a kind of basis. So if you have like a kind of a standard like e.l.f., Kapari, Milk, Charlotte Tilbury, Lano Lips, Summer Fridays, it's gonna fit. So if you're looking for a cute accessory, this is just, if you're buying someone a lip balm, like you're always losing a lip balm, this is a great way to hold on to it. This is kind of a fun must.